Hey there, language learners. Welcome back to Single Step English. I'm Steve, your host. Today we're examining a phrase you might hear quite often. Whatever. Let's explore its meaning. When someone says whatever, it's a casual way of expressing indifference, like saying, I don't really care, or it doesn't matter to me. It's commonly used in informal situations. For instance, you're going to see a movie with a friend, and your friend suggests two movie options. In this case, you're okay with either movie. They're both fine. You might respond with a nonchalant, whatever. You are saying that either movie is fine with you. Whatever. Or imagine someone asks about your weekend plans. Hey, what are your plans for the weekend? In this case, you haven't decided yet. So you could simply say, I don't know. Maybe I'll just relax at home. Whatever. You are saying it doesn't matter if you go out or not. Whatever. Whatever is a versatile phrase to convey a laid-back attitude. Practice it in different contexts and soon you'll be using it naturally in your conversations. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.